how do we look at the world? Like, what is the world? What is our way of thinking about the world we live in? And in the Buddhist practice, there's really three aspects of this that are important. And it's really understanding the nature of impermanence, that forms don't last. Like anything that's in a form, body, everything that we can see and touch and hear is impermanent. And knowing that changes how we respond to things. It's a little bit what Janet was saying about like, this too shall pass. If I know that this is impermanent, then that gives me a lot more space, right? It gives me a lot more inner space to know that this isn't going to last forever. Because part of what the sympathetic nervous system does is it kind of convinces us that this is like a forever thing. Like when we're in the middle of a trigger, it feels like, oh my God, this is forever. But it's not. If we can remember that everything is impermanent. And the other thing it does is it sort of softens us a little bit in terms of, like, if we, are having we're triggered by somebody, let's just say, but we look at that person and we know that person is impermanent. That changes how we respond to that person too. If we really know it, it's not just, it starts out as a thought. It's like, oh yeah, I get it, impermanence, yeah. But if more that we contemplate it and sit with it and meditate it with it, the more it comes here to our heart, the more we know in our bones, this is all impermanent. And that changes how we respond to triggers.